Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to a new video here on Ripple and XRP. All right, wanted to do a bit of a news update. Yesterday we got some bullish news, and that also had an impact on the price, of course. We saw a big spike of about a total of 9.6%, which for a big asset such as XRP is obviously a very big move. But I wanted to give you my thoughts on the news we got and what it means. Because some people saw the news as a potential start of the process of getting a Ripple/XRP ETF. And I don't agree with that. All right, so we'll do a full update. We'll start by talking about the news. I'm very curious what you think as well, so let me know down in the comments. Some of you might disagree with me on this, and that's completely fine. I'm happy to discuss it, and I might even be convinced. But what happened yesterday, for those of you who missed it, is that Grayscale announced that they are proud to announce the creation of a new single asset crypto investment fund, the Grayscale XRP Trust, which will be available through private placement. So you can now invest in XRP as an institution, or it's easier. You could already, but still. It's easier and just more trusted, right? So this is actually interesting for XRP. The thing is that people saw this as like, all right, well, that's great. They actually want to make a private trust for XRP. And now that's the first step before getting the ETF, right? That also happened with Bitcoin, and it happened with Ethereum. And I think that could be the case, but Grayscale has a ton of these products, all right? It's certainly not the start of getting an ETF. If you look at all the trust they have, like they have trusts on Chainlink, Decentraland, Ethereum Classic, Filecoin, Horizon, Litecoin, and nothing against these coins. And if XRP starts to do well, so if they accumulate a huge assets under management, then that could be a sign that an ETF is coming. But at this point of time, it's too early. Like, a lot of these cryptos are actually under investigation by the SEC. Like this doesn't mean anything in my eyes. So it is bullish because it increases the institutional potential demand for XRP. But it's not more than that, and that's also why, and I think that's also visible in the order flow here. I think that's why we're not going to turn into an uptrend here. I think it's more likely that if we don't get an appeal, we will see an uptrend towards the 6th of October. All right, because that's the date when that's the appeal deadline, and if there's no appeal, that's very bullish. Right, and then the private trust also becomes more interesting. And then if the private trust does better, then we can start talking about an XRP ETF. But it's much too soon for that now. There's just no indication that that's going to be of value. Let's say that the Ethereum ETF is not doing so well right now for the potential of more crypto ETFs. So no, when we're looking at the price of XRP, we broke out above this significant level between 54 and 55. We talked about that last video already, that was already hanging in the air. So this news obviously accelerated that, but it looked like we were already going to do that. And now we're stuck between these levels right here, between 58 and 54 cents. And honestly, I think we'll just stay consolidated within these two areas. I don't see any indication of any continued uptrend. I think we can still get up to 58 cents. That's a possibility. And I could also be wrong and we could break out. But like I said, there's no real indication of that if you look at the open interest nor the fundamentals. I think it's most likely that we'll consolidate here. And then as the month progresses, we'll just follow Bitcoin, and then towards the end of the month, if there's no appeal, then we can actually break out and start some sort of an uptrend, which could take us much higher. But that's too early to talk about for now, I think. All right. So those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.